Purists say this explosion is not clever graffiti, just childish and ugly scrawl. Whatever it is, street art or vandalism, it's costing millions to rub it off.
Is the city tough on wall writers?
Now they are.
It doesn't scare you to keep writing?
Subways are hardest hit by the teenage wall writers, as they call themselves. The numbers you see after the names refer to the youngster's street or building or school in an otherwise huge and anonymous city. Sometimes juvenile offenders are forced to scrub the walls, but mostly it's done by a 130-man workforce that does nothing but clean subway stations. By chance, we ran into a wall writer while we were here, a 14-year-old who signs himself Me163, and indeed was in the process of leaving his signature when we arrived, finding still the ink stains on his fingers.
White opaque ink and everything else.
That's what you got from writing on the walls?
That's the only way you get caught.
Over the years, New York has become known for just about everything a city can be known for. Its crime, its wealth, its filth, its slums, its architecture, its art museums. And now it's rapidly becoming known as the graffiti capital of the country, a title Philadelphia has held for years.
R.A.B's in the house, baby. DJ Black Genie, MC Qualified and DJ Hard. Funkin' shit up just for the clubs. We gon' do it like this. MC Qualified's on the mic, baby. Bring the noise, homie.
Listen, party people, while I rock the place and kick the bass and keep the pace. No time to waste when I grab a microphone and rock a party. Everybody shaking and bumping and moving bodies. I came to show and brew the groove. I make it smooth enough to make it move and groove. On the stage and the rage, making the girlies scream.
Doing the freshest shit you ever seen.
Get on the floor for more. If you can't endure more, I'ma give you more for the chore. That has to be picking them up, keeping them dancing. All the girls shake your pants and move till I make your booty start to sweat. Give it all you got until there's no more to get. Give it to me all night without having to pause and work me down to the drawers.
Work me down. Down to the draws. Work me down. Down to the draws.
Work me down to my knees.
All the way to the draw.
Rock the house, y'all. Work me down to my knees.
All the way to the draw.
Rock the house, y'all.
Oh yes.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Cause we're on the floor, don't give a shit.
Are you ready? Oh yes.
Do you want it?
Are you ready? Oh yes.
Rock the house, y'all.
Like we said before, here to give you more. On the mic to rock your hardcore. MC Qualified, boy.
I'm in the house to get up and go faster. The big beat blaster, forever long laster. The MIC master and plus the bass has to boogie up behind while I sip on a shasta. Yo, I grab a mic, you know I never slow down. Get a line of MCs and knock a whole roll down. You want a showdown or want to see it go down? Come to the show and watch the throwdown. Kicking with the bass like it ain't no thing. Down in Alabama with the 808 ring. Took it to the studio and now it's legit. And when they hit the clubs, they had a hit. So many girls shaking to the new record. I rock a funky lyric and they wanna get naked. I'ma take two to the crib just because they want me down to the drawers.
Your ass up. Come on, dance your ass up.
Get this jam started, there's nothing more. Just a countdown. 1, 2,
3, 4.
What is presented is meant to be loud and to rock every party to excite the crowd. Spin that beat. Everybody's beat soothing and moving to a funky vibration. That's grooving. Spin that beat.
And make the party people dance. And make the party people dance.
Body,
Body rock.
What started you doing it?
My friends started doing them, so I just went along with the rest of them.
You still doing it?
White opaque and everything else.
That's what you got from writing on the walls.
That's the only way you get caught.
Me 163 has been caught twice, but he voiced no regrets. It seems the teenagers see it as a way of getting back at a city they feel doesn't care about them.
I'd rather write on the wall and take drugs and stay out in the streets and everything, or go into a program or training home or something like that.
So New York has passed some new laws, but it still has the same children in the same ghettos. The Me 163s nobody knows, except on subway walls.